she called me over and said, I think it was something like, word on campus is that you're writing a book. And I looked at her and I was like, I don't know where you heard that, and that's not what's happening. And she said, no, Julie, you don't understand. When something like this happens, it's a story that has to be told. And she said, I want you to have lunch with me. And we met at a diner. And I remember even what we ate. It was like, I think I had a tuna melt. I don't know why I remember that. But, you know, details are always important in writing. And anyway, she just said, I want you to do this. She gave me instructions, which were go home, sit at your desk every day for 20 minutes, see what happens, don't edit, don't censor yourself. And then sort of like a doctor, she was like, call me next week, we'll have lunch again. I'm going to check up on you. And believe it or not, that's how the first book sort of came to be.